We'll start by logging into your SunFire account. Once you're in to your SunFire account, you come to your search contact or your front page. In order to find the upload link, you'll need to go to the More Actions drop-down on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you can see View Archived Contacts or Import Contacts. Click Import Contacts. This will bring up a disclaimer that tells you how to upload the contacts. You have to upload in a file that must be either a comma-separated values, a CSV, or Excel Open XML, XLSX file. You have to include a header row, and you can only upload up to 250 contacts. First name, last name, and zip code are required, but additional values may be added optionally. Now, you don't have to create a template to upload. If you look in the middle of the page, there is a download template file. You'll click download template file and it will download a template to your computer. You'll need to go find that, and as you see here, this is what the template will be. Now you can delete the name, zip code, email, phone number that is here because that is a test for the environment. That's just showing you an example of what it is. But you will need to input your data in this format, save it. If you rename this template, you will just name it whatever you want to name it. SunFire Contacts, Upload Contacts, however you want to name your file. You will save that. Then when you come back into SunFire, you will click Browse, or you can drag and drop the file. So you will drag and drop the file in. The file will upload and it will preview your contacts as of here, and then you would click Import Contacts. You'll notice that it says contact was imported successfully. And as we have refreshed the page, you will now see the customer has been updated into the system here. And that is how you import contacts into your SunFire. SunFire has also given you the ability to download any contacts that you have on the platform. In order to do that, you'll need to navigate to your agent profile. Once in your profile, you'll scroll down and you will see a Download Contacts button. If you click on that, it will download a CSV file to your computer of all of the data that's on the platform for you. It will look something like this. Same setup as the template that we uploaded contacts with, but we can now download as well. You can then take this CSV file and use in any CRM that accepts CSV files, or if you want to just save that on your computer for backup at any time that you need it. So that is downloading your contacts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to your sales development manager here at National Contracting Center.